Hey folks, how you doing? Yeah, I wanted to reproduce this recipe because I think I owe you a better video than what I uploaded before. It was kind of like messy and not in sequence. So I redid the Fettucine Alfredo with melted butter and Parmesan cheese. And you'll see in a minute how it's done on the stove. Thank you. Okay guys, we have Parmesan cheese, butter, salted butter. I use the Irish kind, very good quality butter. And I have here some fettuccine from Barilla. I got my water boiling already, so I'm just going to put in my fettuccine. And I'm going to put it aside. I'll give it about 7 to 8 minutes to cook. In the meanwhile, I'm going to melt my butter while this is cooking. Like I said before, I'm going to add the butter. It's